Small actions can have a big impact. A simple smile or kind word can change someone's day. But did you know these small gestures could also change your luck? Buddhist teachings show how little shifts in behavior or mindset can create opportunities for transformation and abundance. The power lies not in grand efforts, but in subtle, mindful changes that align you with positive energy. These teachings reveal that luck isn't something random, it's something we shape. By understanding the meaning behind daily actions and their connection to spiritual energy, you can attract success and fulfillment. These practices have been used for centuries to bring balance and prosperity into life, proving that anyone can harness this power. This is more than just tradition. It's a practical approach to living better. Whether it's the way you treat others, the energy you put into your work, or the thoughts you choose to focus on, every moment offers a chance to create change. What you give to the world has a way of returning, often in ways you don't expect. If you're ready to experience how small gestures can bring luck, start by taking action today. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more insights. Together, we'll uncover how simple choices can lead to a life filled with transformation and abundance. Luck isn't just about chance. It's shaped by the energy we create and the actions we take. Have you ever experienced a moment where a small gesture brought something unexpectedly good into your life? Maybe it was a kind word that led to a new opportunity, or a simple act of giving that brought happiness back to you. Share your stories in the comments. What small actions have you taken that changed your life for the better? Let's see how many inspiring moments we can collect. Your story could inspire someone else to change their luck. Some people seem to attract prosperity effortlessly, as if luck follows them wherever they go. But is it just chance? According to ancient wisdom, there's more to it than meets the eye. Timing and intention play a huge role in aligning with the flow of abundance. The concept of the right day reveals that certain moments carry powerful energy, making them ideal for taking action or starting something new. Sometimes the problem isn't a lack of effort, but unseen energy blockages. These blockages can hold you back no matter how hard you try. Recognizing and removing these barriers can clear the path to opportunities and success. Through simple rituals and mindful actions, you can release stuck energy and create space for positivity and prosperity to enter your life. What makes this approach even more exciting is how accessible it is. You don't need complicated tools or years of experience, just the willingness to try. Quick results are possible because the energy of the universe responds to clear intentions and timely actions. These rituals are for everyone, regardless of background or beliefs, offering a practical way to invite abundance into your life. Sacred objects have been used for centuries to channel energy and enhance different areas of life. Each object carries a unique purpose, helping to attract positivity and align intentions with the desired outcome. These items are more than symbols. They are believed to hold the power to influence energy and improve specific aspects of life. A ring, for example, is often linked to love and relationships. Worn on the hand, it serves as a constant reminder of commitment, harmony, and connection. Rings are believed to enhance feelings of trust and strengthen bonds, making them powerful for those seeking emotional balance. Crystals and stones are known for their association with health and well-being. Each stone has its own energy, aiding in healing and promoting physical and emotional stability. Whether placed in your home or carried with you, These natural elements are thought to harmonize your body's energy and encourage wellness. Amulets are commonly used for protection. These objects are designed to shield the wearer from negative energy, harm, or misfortune. Often personalized or chosen based on their symbolism, amulets are believed to create a sense of safety and peace, allowing the wearer to focus on growth without fear. Coins are linked to financial prosperity. They are often carried or placed in specific areas to attract wealth and opportunities. Some people use coins in rituals or as lucky charms, believing they draw abundance into their lives. These small but meaningful objects serve as a reminder to stay focused on financial goals. Each of these sacred objects offers a unique way to connect with energy and intention, helping to create balance and bring desired outcomes into reality. A ring is more than a piece of jewelry. It symbolizes love, commitment, and the cycle of connection. Its circular shape, with no beginning or end, represents eternity and the unbroken bond between people. Rings are often exchanged in moments of deep emotional significance, like weddings, as a promise of unity and trust. To enhance the energy of a ring, visualization techniques can be used. Hold the ring in your hand and focus on your intention, whether it's attracting love, strengthening a current relationship, or fostering self-love. Close your eyes and imagine a bright, warm light surrounding the ring, filling it with positive energy. Visualize this light connecting with your heart, creating a sense of harmony and connection. Placement also matters when wearing a ring for a specific purpose. For love and relationships, wearing a ring on the left hand, particularly on the fourth finger, is believed to connect directly to the heart chakra. This placement is symbolic and thought to strengthen the bond of love. For personal empowerment or self-love, consider wearing the ring on your dominant hand as a statement of your inner strength and confidence. By combining symbolism, visualization, and thoughtful placement, a ring can become a powerful tool for channeling energy and aligning with your intentions. Crystals and stones have long been valued for their natural beauty and their energy properties. Each type of crystal carries unique vibrations that can support physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By understanding their properties and using them intentionally, they can become tools for improving health and balance. Amethyst is one of the most popular crystals, often associated with calmness and healing. Its soothing energy is believed to reduce stress, promote restful sleep, and aid in emotional balance. Clear quartz, on the other hand, is known as the master healer. It amplifies energy, clears negativity, and helps in aligning the body's natural flow of energy. Clear quartz is often used to support overall health and well-being. Using crystals for health intentions is simple. They can be carried in a pocket, worn as jewelry, or placed in areas where their energy can flow freely, such as on a bedside table or in a workspace. During meditation, holding a crystal in your hand or placing it on specific parts of the body can help focus its energy where it's needed most. For example, placing amethyst under your pillow may enhance relaxation and promote better sleep. By incorporating these crystals into daily life with clear intentions, they can help support physical health, emotional balance, and spiritual growth. Protective amulets are more than decorative objects. They serve as powerful tools to shield against negative energy and provide a sense of safety. Traditionally worn or carried, these objects are infused with the intention of protection and act as barriers against harm, misfortune, or unwanted influences. Many cultures believe that amulets help maintain balance by deflecting negativity and reinforcing personal strength. To amplify an amulet's protective energy, a simple visualization process can be used. Hold the amulet in your hands and focus on its purpose. Close your eyes and imagine it surrounded by a glowing, impenetrable shield of light. This light represents its protective energy, forming a barrier around you. See this light growing stronger with every breath, creating a safe and secure aura around you. Placement is essential for maximizing an amulet's effectiveness. Wearing it close to the body, such as around the neck or wrist, keeps the protective energy near your personal field. Alternatively, placing the amulet in areas prone to negative energy, like the entrance of your home or a workspace, can create a protective boundary. Some people also carry their amulets in bags or pockets to ensure protection throughout the day. By combining purpose, visualization, and thoughtful placement, protective amulets can offer a constant source of security and peace, empowering you to navigate life with confidence. Coins have long been symbols of wealth, prosperity, and abundance. In many traditions, they represent the energy of financial stability and the potential for growth. A single coin can act as a powerful reminder of your goals, aligning your intentions with the flow of prosperity in the universe. The round shape of coins, much like rings, symbolizes completeness and the never-ending cycle of giving and receiving. To harness the energy of a coin, alignment techniques are key. Begin by holding the coin in your dominant hand and setting a clear intention, such as attracting wealth, stability, or opportunities. Visualize golden light radiating from the coin, connecting you to an endless stream of abundance. This practice helps synchronize your personal energy with the energy of prosperity. Coins are also believed to have magnetic properties for attracting wealth. By placing a coin in your wallet, it can act as a financial magnet, symbolically drawing more money into your life. Similarly, placing coins in specific areas like a home's prosperity corner, often the southeast according to feng shui, can amplify their energy. Carrying a coin in your pocket or gifting one to someone else as a token of good fortune also strengthens its attraction power. Choosing the right coin is important for maximizing its potential. Select coins that hold personal or cultural significance, such as a coin from a special place or year. Clean the coin before use to clear old energies and charge it with your intention. The more meaning you attach to the coin, the stronger its energy alignment will be. Through clear intention, mindful practices, and strategic placement, coins can become tools for attracting financial prosperity and maintaining a steady flow of abundance in your life. Strategic placement of sacred objects enhances their energy and aligns them with specific intentions. Where and how you place these items can significantly influence their effectiveness. Thoughtful positioning allows the energy to flow freely, creating a harmonious environment that supports your goals. Secrecy is crucial when placing sacred objects. Keeping their location private protects them from external interference or negative energy. The objects work best when they remain personal and connected to your intentions. Sharing their placement with too many people can dilute their energy and lessen their impact. For prosperity, place coins or symbols of abundance in the southeast corner of your home or office, a spot often associated with wealth in feng shui. A wallet or cash drawer is another ideal location to amplify financial flow. For love-related intentions, position rings or love-enhancing objects in the southwest corner of your space. This area is linked to relationships and emotional harmony. You can also place these objects near your bed to nurture intimacy and connection. For protection, amulets are best placed at entry points, like above doorways or near windows, to guard against negative energy entering your space. Carrying them with you in a pocket or bag offers personal shielding throughout the day. For health and wellness, crystals like amethyst or clear quartz can be placed in areas where you spend time healing or relaxing, such as your bedroom or meditation corner. Placing them near your bed or even under your pillow can promote restful sleep and emotional balance. By combining intentional placement with the energy of these objects, you create an environment that supports your goals and fosters positivity in every aspect of your life. Visualization is a powerful tool for amplifying the energy of sacred objects and aligning them with your intentions. By following a simple practice, you can deepen your connection to the object and enhance its effectiveness. Start by finding a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. This allows you to focus entirely on your intention and the object you are working with. It could be a corner of your room, a peaceful spot outdoors, or anywhere you feel calm and centered. Next, hold the object in your hands, feeling its weight and texture. As you do this, connect with its energy. Whether it's a ring, crystal, coin, or amulet, focus on how it feels and trust that it has the power to support your intention. Breathing techniques are important for calming the mind and entering a state of focused awareness. Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4, and then exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 4. This practice relaxes your body and clears your mind. Once you are relaxed, create detailed mental images of your desired outcome. For example, if you're using a coin for prosperity, visualize money flowing toward you effortlessly. Or, if you're using an amulet for protection, imagine a shield of light surrounding you, keeping negativity at bay. The more vivid and specific your mental images, the more powerful the visualization becomes. Incorporate affirmations to reinforce your intention. Speak them silently or aloud. I am worthy of abundance. I am protected from all harm. Or, my relationships are loving and strong. Repeating these positive statements strengthens your focus and aligns your energy with your goals. Finally, express gratitude for the object and the results you are inviting into your life. Feel gratitude as though your desire has already been fulfilled. This cultivates a positive mindset and opens the door to receiving the abundance, love, protection, or health you seek. By practicing this visualization regularly, you activate the energy of the object and strengthen your connection to its purpose, helping to manifest your desires more effectively. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points we covered. Sacred objects like rings, crystals, amulets, and coins all carry powerful energies that can be aligned with your intentions for prosperity, love, protection, and health. By carefully choosing and placing these objects and practicing visualization, you can amplify their influence in your life. I encourage you to practice these techniques and see the positive changes unfold. The more you work with these objects and stay focused on your intentions, the more they will support your goals. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and practices. Leave a comment below and share your experiences or questions. I'd love to hear how these techniques are helping you. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss new content that can help you along your journey. Stay tuned for more content that will empower you to manifest the life you desire. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.